How to fix Roblox HTTP error has occurred. Please close the comment option. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open settings and go to date and time. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, make sure set the time automatically is turned on. After you do that, the time will set as the zone. Another thing, click on the search bar at the bottom left corner of your screen and search VPN settings and click on VPN settings. You'll find VPN of your device. Make sure all the VPN is turned off. If it's turned on, you can simply click on it and turn it off. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to fix Roblox HTTP error. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.